This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to get the Cursor free plan. Now, I'm right here on the main pricing page for Cursor. Now, first things first, I do have a link, an affiliate link in the video description. If you click my link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page. They're often offering a free trial on the Pro plan, but the way to start is to actually just get the free plan. You will get that free trial if they're offering it on the individual Pro plan. Depending on when they're actually offering these free trials, it doesn't actually say here, but when you start the Pro account, you will often get the free 14-day trial. So if you want that free plan, they do offer this hobby free plan right here. There's no credit card required to start. You get limited agent requests and limited tab completions. You will just click on download right here, and then depending on your system, it's identified that I have Mac OS. I can literally just download the Mac OS version of Cursor here, which I will click there, and you can see it went flying up in the corner, universal symbol on the Mac that something is downloaded. I'm on Google Chrome, and I will then find that DMG file in the downloads folder. So if you're on a different platform, maybe on Windows or Linux, you do have these options right here. You can also download the older ones right here. So that's how you're going to get your free plan. Let's go back to pricing. I do have an extensive video on Cursor pricing and a load of other videos on how to use Cursor and different aspects of Cursor. But right here, you can see we have monthly pricing, individual at $20 per month, and teams at $40 per month. There are some other flavors. If you want a little something more, you can get Pro Plus at $60 per month, Ultra at $200 per month. And you get these savings on yearly. If you're willing to pay for all the months in one go, you can get those yearly savings, only $16 per month for the individual plan. But that is how you're going to get your free plan. You start with the hobby plan right here. They will probably offer you a free trial, but it really depends on what Cursor are offering at the time. And then you can check out the platform, give it a test drive. You don't know if it is the right platform for you until you give it a go. So give it a go. Maybe you do want a paid plan, you want a little something more. Maybe you don't, that's cool too. You can stick around forever on this hobby free plan. You just have your limitations here that I read out earlier. So that was a video on how to get the free plan on Cursor. Hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.